Okay, Sofi. Okay, I'm liking what I'm seeing here, baby. Let's talk about this. So Sofi went up 2% on Monday, which is a not a crazy move per se, but we're inching closer and closer to $8 per share, which guys, that's freaking huge. In fact, in the morning, yesterday morning on Monday, we hit $7.80. If my second grade math is correct, that's about 20 cents away from $8 per share, right? So we're getting there, man. We're getting there, which means SoFi is close to exploding. Hopefully, we start to get that pop above 8 towards 850, which I think really is where the stock could really start to take off. So we're going to break down the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do, the whole 9 yards in this video, guys. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moo. The clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. And for a limited time until Jerome Powell cuts those rates, which is very soon, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which makes this a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video. So SoFi, we're getting closer to $8 per share, like I said. And on the intraday, you can see we had a very good day on Monday. And on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, we took out the highs from last week. Last week, SoFi struggled to break above 750, pretty much the mid sevens. And on Monday, we took it out with ease. Like I said, hitting $7.80 per share. And here on the 10-day, 30-minute, guys, this looks fantastic. This shows you even more. Again, that we took out the highs from yesterday, but also not yesterday, from last week, but also we're continuing the uptrend. We're bouncing off the moving averages on the 30-minute chart, which actually started on Friday, but now we're extending that pop, which I can't complain. I'm long SoFi. I'm loving this. The more it goes up, man, the more money's in my pocket. Well, on paper, because my average cost is in the high sixes, right around 680, right in that ballpark. So I'm green right now on SoFi. By the way, let me know what average cost you're in. You don't have to tell me how many shares you own. It doesn't matter. What is your average cost? I'm curious. Let me know down below in the comments, guys. But yeah, 30-minute chart, we're looking freaking amazing right now. And on the 20-day chart as well. Well, not amazing quite yet, but we're getting there. Do you guys see what this is right here? Do you guys see what this is? Let me actually make sure I'm recording. I'm recording. We're good, guys. But this is an inverse head and shoulders, which actually you'll be able to see on the larger time frame. But more importantly, on this time frame, this is a cup and handle. Do you guys see the cup right here? Boom, right? And the handle is right here, which means, a breakout could be brewing, right? So we're approaching this resistance, which is around 780, 775, which it makes sense. We got rejected there earlier, guys. That was where we got hit multiple times in the end of July, early August, right? So we got hit there again. And I'm thinking if we take this out, $7.80, $8, which I already have my alert at $8, might as well do one at $7.80 while we're at it. If we get out of there, guys, this could really start moving, like I've been saying, right? And it takes time. Some stocks don't just moon right away. That actually rarely happens. A lot of the time, it's a freaking grind, right? Not even because you have to do a bunch of stuff, because all you do is buy and hold. It's not like you do anything, but a lot of people don't have patience. That's the reality of a lot of people. They just do not have patience, and they don't wait long enough to see things through. So if they don't see an initial reaction in the stock that they want to see, a lot of people want to just buy and then it goes up right away. A lot of the time, guys, it does not work like that. It's a slow grind. And if you don't have the patience, well, you're not going to make it in this game called the stock market, right? And I just realized, why have I not turned this light on yet? Does this make I guess makes a little bit of a difference. Who gives a crap anyway, right? But yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I'm thinking in the short term here. The cup and handle is brewing, looking pretty good. And on the 4-hour time frame, let me show you guys this. We've been struggling to break $788 for months since early March. The last time we were actually, more than 10, 15 cents above $8 per share was in March, early March. I mean, guys, we're talking almost half a year ago at this point in time, which is insane. And yeah, I mean, if this point breaks, guys, we're set for a huge, move to the upside. Maybe to $9. $9 is a big resistance right here. 9, 9.10. If that breaks, 10, 10.50 is where we could be going, in my humble opinion. And I showed you guys this a little bit earlier, but on this time frame, you can see it even better. The inverse head and shoulders. How many inverse head and shoulders have we called out on this channel, guys? They don't always play out, but we spot these all the time, and this is another one right here. So we have the inverse head and shoulders with the cup and handle inside of it. You guys can see right here. Boom. Left shoulder. The head's right here. Boom. You guys see that? The right shoulder is right here. And by the way, a golden cross is starting to form here on the 4-hour chart. The 50 SMA is crossing above the 180 moving average. This is a very good sign for more upside, potentially, not guaranteed. So let me set I do have 2 alerts, I guess, right? One's at $788. Might as well do one as well at $825. I'll throw it there for now. We'll see how that plays out. But guys, I'm telling you, this one, although it's not guaranteed to break out right now, it's getting to a point where it's looking good on the charts. We're approaching a big resistance, and we could be getting ready to see that next leg up, potentially, right? So what do you think about Sofi? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And again, I'm curious, what's your average cost if you own the stock? And if you don't own the stock, are you planning on buying it? Why don't you own it? I'm curious, what's your case against it? I want to hear it down below in the comments, guys. And let's see some other stocks quickly, maybe 1 or 2 that I'm also looking at here in the very short term. CRM is very important for this week, guys. They're set to report earnings, I believe, tomorrow. The 28th of August. And this one also is a cup and handle. Do you guys see this right here? Cup, handle. We're approaching the 265, 266 resistance, which if that breaks, mind you, it's been resistance for months. If it breaks, we could end up filling the gap to 285, 290, which is where I'm looking to trade this thing. And mind you, CRM, last time they reported, the stock got obliterated, down I think 20%, which is nuts. 21% after earnings. And since then, we've recovered some of the losses, not all of them. And again, we're setting up pretty nicely heading into earnings. So if we take out this level, let me set my alert. I'll put it at 270 for now. If that breaks, we could really, really, really start to move. Mark is at or above 270. There we go. So with that being said, folks, I'm going to wrap the video up. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my mailing list if you want me to send you my top 3 stocks every single Monday. It's free. Link down below. You might as well also get up to 20 stocks from Moo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below, or go to stocksurfast.com/Moo. And with that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching as always, guys. You're awesome. Peace out.